This show is proudly brought to you by TraderCobb.com. If you want to get bi-weekly video newsletters on the markets that are not shown anywhere else, just subscribe underneath this video on the homepage. If you'd like to get some access to the free webinars to work out exactly what these trading strategies are about, pretty simple. Just go to free webinars. And if you've got friends or family and you'd like to learn more about blockchain and what the opportunity is, well, I've got a full 40-minute course there for you under free courses. Please share this link around and get involved. And enjoy the show. G'day, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you've had a fantastic day. It's Craig Cobb of the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. And I'd love it if you shared this around with everybody, because you know what? If you're listening to this and enjoying it, there's probably other people that you know that will probably enjoy it as well. Now, let's have a look at what's going on in the market, because I do know that some people are going, the sky is falling, but it's not. No, in fact, the sky is not falling. The sky is consolidating. Bitcoin's down 2.74% right now, sitting at 7714 on the Bitfinex chart, down $217, but it ain't no big deal. We struggled around 8,000. Yep, it's a given. I saw that. I watched it. I was waiting to see if I could get a breakout trade around that level. And just in the last few hours, in fact, we have come off. We've come off from about 7,900 to a low. What's the low there? 75. So we saw a $400 shift in price. Volatility picked up in the last couple of hours, but we're more or less still within a fairly strong consolidation. The mere fact that we're still well above 7,000 is impressive. And as I've been saying since earlier in the week, my very first podcast this week was talking about how parabolic this market looked, how I thought it looked like it could really kick on. I stood by that, and the next day when it didn't break on, because I really thought if we broke that daily candle, I thought the momentum would stay and push on. Well, it didn't. It didn't at all. On that Monday, it did close. Sorry, on the Sunday, which for me was Monday morning, it closed around around the highs of the day, not far beyond that. Like it pulled back ever so slightly before it closed. I just thought, it looks as though the momentum may shift and carry on. It did not. It started to sell off slightly. And then once I saw that, I was like, we might actually consolidate, let's be realistic. And we have been since then. Now, we could also fall. Now, if we fall heavily, then I will be completely wrong. I will just be 100% wrong. I do see this as a strong market. I do see this consolidation as something good, and I do see it as an opportunity for everybody who's trading to just take a little bit of a breather. I did my top 100 scan today with everybody in my community on the live trading floor and VIP subscription, and what we really focused on was we went through the margin pairs, we went through the Bitcoin crosses, we went through the USDT or the stablecoin crosses as well. We went through everything basically, and there was a few opportunities still about. There's some good opportunities out. There's some nice little trends, but for the most part, across that top 10 against the dollar, it is really a market right now for which we need to be sitting back, watching, waiting, and being very patient. What comes next? Well, I just don't know, but what I can do next, what I will do, is be very, very patient. So on to Ethereum now. We are at $245.90, down $8.49 and 3.29% in the red today once again. Just consolidating there on Ethereum. We do have a little bit of resistance coming in there, but more or less we are just in a sideways market for the time being, just waiting to see what happens. EOS is just a tad below $6, and when I say a tad, I mean a cent. It's at $5.99. It's actually down 28 cents today, which is quite a bit of a dip there. 4.47% in the red for EOS. Stellar Lumens is down 7.52%, and it just does seem to want to give back as soon as it puts some green back in, doesn't it? It's at 12.3 cents, currently down 1 cent for the day. XRP against the dollar sitting at 37 cents, and it is currently down 5.68%. Again, it's not looking the greatest, but we're still holding above that resistance level when we were sitting in that consolidation range of 35 cents. Litecoin once again. We are here with not too much of a bad day. One of the least poor performers of the session. It's down 2.77%. Down $2.50, sitting at $88.44, approaching very close to that $85 region where we found some very strong support and resistance in the past. Will it hold or will it break? And if it does break, will it set up and give me an opportunity for a quick trade for a one-to-one? Well, I don't know, but time will tell. Bitcoin Cash is $392.39, down $23.66 as I speak to you right now, and that is down 5.69%. Binance, on the other hand, this is against dollar tether here on Binance. No, Duh. It's looking really strong. I mean, we had that pullback to about $18.30, and since then we've gone up to $31.50. It's currently sitting at $31.53. It is down 2.65% or 85 cents, but I do see further options available here for potential upside. I just got to wait for my opportunity to get a fill again. Now, Tron against the dollar, it's down 5.49%. It's sitting at 2.6 cents. A pretty messy chart overall. And finally, coming in now to Cardano, it's down 7.16% at 7.8 cents right now against the dollar. So Bitcoin down about 3%. The rest of the market down between 3 and sort of 7%. Nothing too over the top. The consolidation remains intact. It is a really good time to be relaxing, preparing for the next move, and looking to trade whatever has got a good trend that you can get access to. There's been some good trades that have set up, but due to some of the markets being rather thin, they haven't really given us the opportunity to trade them. But such is life. There'll be much more to come. Guys, have a fantastic day. And if you haven't already, you know what I'm going to say. Get across tradercobb.com, check it out, and get access to the free video newsletter, because it's there. It's twice a week, and you won't find it anywhere else. Have a good one, guys. Bye for now. This show is proudly brought to you by tradercobb.com. If you want to get bi-weekly video newsletters on the markets that are not shown anywhere else, just subscribe underneath this video on the homepage. If you'd like to get some access to the free webinars to work out exactly what these trading strategies are about, pretty simple. Just go to free webinars. And if you've got friends or family and you'd like to learn more about blockchain and what the opportunity is, well, I've got a full 40-minute course there for you under free courses. Please share this link around and get involved.